Yo, what is up, everybody? It is AJ Smokes. It is the new channel name, and today I have a review for y'all. I have Strawberry Cough Dank Vapes. So I'm 100% positive that it's legit, that there's no pesticides in it. You know, everybody's so worried about these being fake. And yes, there is stuff to worry about, but I have a legit source. And even if these are filled up on their own, they're filled up with legit stuff. So I have no reason to believe that this is fake. So, one, open your boxes from the bottom, guys. So much easier. I already hit it a couple times today. It is so nice. That color is just so nice. It's got these air bubbles because I've been hitting it, but don't move too fast at all. Nice and slow. You know what I'm saying? It is nice. So yeah, the taste is definitely about 8 out of 10 for the Strawberry Cough. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. I'll tell y'all right now, my friend had cotton candy. I didn't appreciate that it was indica. I like sativa, so that's why I picked up the Strawberry Cough. But this tastes great. That cotton candy tastes even better though. Tastes just like cotton candy, like 100%. I would recommend. So yeah, I just picked up this cart because I had reason to believe that the mojito I got was either fake or it just didn't taste good. So we picked up a new cart. So yeah, I'll do a little cloud test right now for y'all, and I'll show you guys the cart. So yeah, it is real nice. So power this bad boy on, and we'll do a cloud test. Oh, I turned it off. I'm stupid. I don't know. Pretty fat clouds, guys. 3 hits and you're gone. That is for sure. So, I would definitely follow Dank Busta on Instagram, cause he could show y'all that that thread hole is nice and small and high for the airflow. He'll tell you stuff about that having that transparent ring, things in the bottom, the lines up top, that it's yeah, how to find a fake one. I would follow Dank Busta on Instagram. He could definitely help you figure out whether or not your dank is real or fake. You know, you always want to look for those holographs, the pop-ups, once again, as usual. So I'm not concerned that I'm smoking pesticides out of this cart. I'm very happy with this cart. So this cart definitely gets about an 8 out of 10. I don't have the cotton candy, but I give that one a 9 out of 10. You know, the cough is real though, guys, so make sure you got some water, or you're going to be coughing up a lung if you're new to this like I am. But I've been doing my research and trying out different carts. I've already had another dank, and I've had a smart cart. So, yeah, guys, like and subscribe for more. I will probably be doing a Smoke Nord review pretty soon, since I've had it for a good minute now. I'll give a good review on it. So, yeah, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think. Peace out.